Hi guys, today I'm going to be making chili con carne. This is one of my favourite dishes and it goes well with so many different things. You can eat it with tacos, with tortillas, with rice, with salad, with chips, jacket potato, or any combination of those that you like. This recipe takes about 10 to 15 minutes to prepare and about 1 hour to cook. The ingredients listed on the screen will actually make about 4 portions. For the video today I've decided just to double those up so I can make extra portions to freeze. And one of the great things about this dish is that the flavours tend to improve after freezing once the ingredients have had a little bit more time to mingle together. So I hope you like it and let's get started. So to begin, add a tablespoon of oil to the pan and allow it to heat for a few minutes. Once the oil is heated up, add the onion to the pan and then give it a good stir for about 5 minutes until it starts to soften. Next, add the chopped pepper, give it a quick stir. Then add the fresh chilies, garlic, chili powder, paprika and cumin, and stir well again. Once the spices have started to mix with the onion and pepper and the chilies have softened slightly, it's time to add the mince. You should hear a nice sizzle when you add the mince to the pan. If not, just turn the heat up slightly. You'll need to prod and stir the mince well for a good 5 to 10 minutes to make sure it mixes with all the other ingredients and to ensure it's a light brown all over. Once everything's looking good and the mince is a nice light brown, it's time to add the stock. Mix the stock cube with some boiling water, stir well and then add to the pan. Then add the tinned tomatoes, the sage, the sugar, and the tomato puree. Give everything another good stir. And season with some salt and pepper. Stir well again and then leave to simmer for about 20 minutes. Next it's time to feed Chez. She always knows when there's food about.
Mr. Robot Feeder has to give you some biscuits first, doesn't he?
Next, drain the kidney beans and add to the pan. Stir well and then leave to cook for about another 10 minutes. Once you've added the kidney beans, if you've not done so already, you may want to prepare whatever side dish or dishes you want with your chilli. This time I've gone for a mixture of salad, rice and a couple of tacos. If you prefer your chilli drier, then you can always let the sauce cook away a little longer. But if you're planning to freeze any and use again, then it's best not to let it dry out too much.
Oh dear. Hey! Hey! I'll get you some more food.